arts and crafts? Yes, please. Let's get artsy.
Hey everyone, it's Brittany here. I'm going to be showing you how to make a zipper friendship bracelet. Let's get started. To make this zipper friendship bracelet, you're only going to need 3 things. Some scissors, some tape, your thread in 3 different colors. But you're only going to be using 2 of these colors, and the third one is going to be used as your base. So you want to take your strings and you want to measure out 2 feet for each color. So in total, we will have 3 strings. Then you want to tie a knot about 1 inch down from the top and take your tape and tape your strings to a hard surface in order to stabilize them so we can start making our friendship bracelet. So you want to start by taking your left string and making a number 4. And looping it under and through the middle string. You want to do this on the right side, but this time make a backwards 4. Looping it under and through the middle string and pulling it to the top to make a knot. Now you want to keep going through the same process, back and forth between your left and your right string, making a regular 4, and then a backwards 4. You want to do this until you get the length that you like for your wrist. And then once you're done doing this, just tie a knot at the very end of the bracelet to hold it all together and tie it on your wrist. So that is how you make a zipper friendship bracelet. Super awesome, incredibly easy, and it doesn't take too long to make this. I challenge you to go and make your own friendship bracelet and give it to all your best friends. And after you made them one, make them another, and then another, and then another until their whole wrist is filled up with friendship bracelets. Be the best friend that you can possibly be.